Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase size in the full keyboard access on iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, then swipe down a little bit, tap on Accessibility, swipe down, tap on Keyboards, then tap on Full Keyboard Access, and here you can just turn on the setting to increase size. Now it's on, now it's off. So, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!